we have the giant sack of pins. I have some already. And I have my paper ready. Let's go through. These are older ones. Let's go through and put in what we have so far. Actually, I don't need to put the backings on yet. Do this. Easter. Got a poo. Got some poo. Would probably be more appropriate. Snow White. Mad Tea Party. Got the Dell cupcake. Little Dory. Yo, fucking Mater. Come on. Okay. So many packs, dude. I saved up all my allowance money. Everything. Let's see actually how many did we get. I bought enough. I bought enough to pretty much have the set plus extras because I know I'm gonna have dupes. And hopefully all my dupes are all chasers and good pins, bro. I feel the luck. We going and we got the best luck in the world. Disney Magic style. Rubbed up packs. Brand new. I have a boatload here in my lap. I have a bunch here already. I got 2, 4, 6, 7 already that I managed to trade for at the park. Carter, what's good, brother? Goats, high five. Let's start this up and see what we got, baby. All right, Summer. Good, I need it. Got another bus. All right. Cheshire Cat. In my hand, I have Pain and Panic, and then Matterhorn Castle. I should show these off. I'm sorry. Matterhorn. Looking good. Pain and Panic. Cheshire Cat. Bus. All right. Next pack. Ooh. Peter Pan Castle. This one's my favorite so far. It looks really good. And then our first dupe. Okay. Next pack. Oh, baby. Super Chaser. Hey, let's go. Super Chaser. Madame Leota from Haunted Mansion, bro. And then it's the wallpaper from the mansion with diamonds. All right, what's the other one? Castle. 101 Dalmatians. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, what we got here? Pluto Cupcake. And oh, sick, the Chaser. Sisu, I think. Yeah. Next pack. I hope we get more than one Super Chaser. I'll be so stoked. Oh, did we just get back to back? Oh, we got the mini cupcake. And so yeah, we got another Sisu chaser. Sick. Next pack. Ooh, it's already looking good. We got the Christmas chaser, or the yes, Christmas chaser for the Dales. Why is it being such a butt? Focus on the Dale, you know you want to. That one, and then we got another poo. You know what time it is, next pack, baby. Alright, we got Easter. Pushing up the Great Biscotti, heck yeah. Easterdale. Wait. Ah, so dupe? Okay. Oh, sick. A chaser bus. We're having some good luck, chat. Chaser bus. Queen of Hearts. Be crazy. Next pack, baby. Another nice unfondled. It's nice to have unfondled packs, chat. Be careful buying packs on eBay. If you do, get them off me. Come on. Alright, we got a dupe Pluto. No problem. Hey. Nick Wilder. And with the amount of packs in my crotch, this is gonna be good. I can feel it. I could kind of see right here with the pack press that it's an anniversary one. It's all hexagon out. Let's see which one it is. Hopefully it's something we actually need. Ooh. Oh, it's not. Whoa, I thought it was a hexagon. I thought it was one of the anniversary series. I was way off. Dang. Grand Californian. This is a sick castle. Very cool. Grand Californian. And then Snow White. This one's a dupe. We traded for this at the park. Oh. Who is this? Pongo? Sick. And then, oh heck yeah, Tiki Chaser Cupcake. Tiki room. Check it out. All right, next pack, dude. This is looking great, bro. Another one. Unfondled, uncensored, unbelievable. Oh, dude. Another super chaser. Let's go, dude. Come on. Notice the bat in the middle. Yo, now I could trade the homies at Walt Disney World and get the hat box. Fresh out of the pack, dude. Oh my goodness. Right there. Sheesh, what's this castle? Alright, Dupe Castle. Maybe it's in here. Maybe it's in here. Oh, I saw the headband and got super stoked. Alright. Another one. It's the dupe of the dupe. This is a good dupe to have. Castle. Peter Pan. Peter Pan. Alright. Another one. Alright. We got Donald Cupcake. Very good. All we need is Angel. That's Stitch. That's part of Lilo and Stitch stuff. Here we go. Mater. Next pack. Tiki room. Got the headband. This one looks pretty cool, actually. The parrots on there, some flowers, plumerias. This one's cool. I like. Enchanted Tiki Birds. And then another Dalmatians castle. Put that with the tradies. Next pack. Next pack. Oh yeah, baby. We got one of the chasers we needed. We just need the hotel chaser now. Sleeping booty. Got the sleeping booty. That's the whole set. We did the whole earband set. We have another Peter Pan. Peter Pan. Next pack. Oh, sick. Another chaser. Woo. We got the Dale chaser again. Again. I like that one better for some. Oh, here's the bus we got too. Sick. Headband with buses. We need one cupcake. We need that chaser castle. Oh my god. Stressing out, man. What is this? A dupe pack, bro. What? Alright. It's okay. Next pack. Uh-oh. I see a dupe here. Dupe, evil queen. That's okay. Oh, we got the chaser castle. Come on, all chasers complete, baby. The hard part is done. And I got a small crotch full. Okay. Oh, this is good. Another Sleeping Beauty chaser. Beautiful. Beautiful. And another Peter Pan, another good castle to have. That's great. Oh, baby, here we go. Here we go. Oh, man. All right. Easter, we have that for sure. Hey, but that's good. It came with a chaser bus. Next pack, let's do this. We got like 10 left, dude. Oh, no way. Yes. 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 Came back to a third super chaser of the unboxing. Oh, yeah, dude. And another Grand Californian Castle come out. Dude, this is great. I'm chilling. Next pack, we need another one. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, dude. 4. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th one. Dude. 4. Castle. Small world. Beautiful castle. Oh, baby. Next pack. Alright. I can tell this is a dupe summertime. All good. And then... Hey, another chaser bus? I'm down. That could be done within 2 packs. Maybe this is one of the 2 I need. Oh, baby. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Bro, 5. The 5th super chaser. The 5th super chaser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What castle was it? Grand Cali. All good. Next pack. Holy cow. Another castle? Hold on. Peter Pan Castle. Dude, if I get another super chaser. Oh, dude. We hit the jackpot, chat. We hit the jackpot. There's no way I have more. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 packs. What are the odds we get another one? We got a dupe. Dupe cupcake. And a dupe story of a little Dory. What we got here? Hey, let's go. Another Chaser headband. I'm down, dude. That's the second one. Sick. Another grand. All right. Next packs. Oh, dude. First off, let's see the castle. Matterhorn. Cool. Perfect. We just need a chaser. We got the set. But, dude, there's no way. There's no way. 7. Seven super chasers. I got 3 packs. What are the odds I got one more in these 3? Holy cow. And I still need Thanksgiving. Oh. Speak of the Dale. That completes the Dales. Oh. And that completes the buses. Out of these 2 packs, dude, holy cow. Out of these last 2 packs, what are the odds we get the 2 last pins we need? And actually knock this set out and have dupes of like super chasers and chasers, dude. Let's find out. I'm about to throw up. What is this? Okay. I could deal with that. A duplicate chaser again. We got Dumbo. Alright, I'm scared, chat. I'm getting bubble guts. Alright. It's looking good. I see the outer thing, but last time I thought it was an anniversary, it was a castle. Oh, dude, I got bubble guts, dude. I got coffee. Chat, we need this. We need this to be Milo and Angel in here. Somehow. If not, we have plenty of dupes we could trade for it, but... Chat, I'm telling you right now. We need this. I'm looking at the glare, putting it out in the universe.
A few moments later.
I'm scared. Bubble guts, bubble guts, bubble guts. This is it. I can't look. Oh, dude. That's the cupcake we need. This is the cupcake we need. You put it down. That finishes the cupcake set. So if this is Milo, we going in, we got the best luck in the world. Disney magic style. That's it. It's got to be green. Oh yeah. Dude. Chat, we did it. This is probably the best pin unboxing in the entire universe of pin unboxings.